Homeland Security conducted searches of the residences belonging to Sean Diddy Combs. Greetings, everyone. Today, we will be delving into the matter of Homeland Security investigations, HSI, conducting raids on the residences of Sean Diddy Combs in Los Angeles and Miami. These raids were carried out as part of a federal sex trafficking case. The search conducted at Combs' Los Angeles home, which is registered under Bad Boys Films, aimed to gather evidence linking him to allegations of drugging young women. To obtain the search warrant, a thorough process involving collaboration with state and local attorneys was necessary. It is worth noting that Combs has faced multiple lawsuits in the past, including accusations of sexual assault, physical abuse, and the administration of drugs without consent during the early 1990s. Additionally, a male music producer has come forward, alleging repeated instances of unwanted groping and sexual contact by Combs. Without further delay, let us begin our discussion. Authorities have announced that the residence of Sean Diddy Combs in Los Angeles was subject to a raid conducted by Homeland Security Investigations, HSI, on Monday. This federal operation took place at Combs' opulent $40 million property located in the prestigious Holmby Hills neighborhood of LA. In addition to the LA residence, HSI also executed a search at the music mogul's Miami home situated on Star Island. The purpose of these raids is linked to an ongoing federal sex trafficking case. In a statement released by HSI, it was announced that earlier today, law enforcement actions were carried out by Homeland Security Investigations New York in collaboration with HSI Los Angeles, HSI Miami, and local law enforcement partners. Additional information will be provided as it becomes available. On Monday afternoon, federal agents were observed conducting an investigation at Combs' residence in Los Angeles, as captured by Sky Fox. The property, which is registered under Bad Boys Films, a subsidiary of Bad Boy Entertainment, is also associated with one of Combs' daughters. According to Homeland Security expert Hal Kempfer, there have been accusations of Combs drugging young women, and it is probable that the agency is examining the alleged offences that occurred in various states. The search for incriminating evidence against Combs encompasses various items such as laptops, flash drives, and any other potential links to the allegations. Kempfer emphasised that obtaining a search warrant of such significance necessitates a time-consuming procedure, likely involving collaboration with state and local attorneys. The Los Angeles Police Department's investigators were present at the location as well, but they declined to provide any comments. In a statement released by Doug Wigdor, a lawyer representing Cassie Ventura and other accusers of Diddy, it was emphasized that they will always stand in support of law enforcement's efforts to prosecute individuals who have violated the law. The hope is that this marks the commencement of a process that will hold Mr. Combs accountable for his reprehensible behavior. Cat Williams, during an explosive interview with Shannon Sharpe on Club Shay Shay, made mention of Diddy along with Harvey Weinstein, R. Kelly and Michael Jackson, stating that all falsehoods will eventually be revealed. Last year, Cassandra Ventura, also known as R&B singer Cassie, filed a shocking lawsuit in a New York federal court against the prominent figure in the music industry, Diddy. Their relationship spanned from 2005 to 2018, and the lawsuit contained numerous disturbing allegations that detailed years of alleged mistreatment. The following day, the two parties reached a settlement, but that was merely the start of a much larger story. A mere 7 days later, an additional pair of women stepped forward and lodged allegations of sexual misconduct against the hip-hop mogul in a separate legal case. Just before the Adult Survivors Act, a New York law that grants victims of sexual abuse a one-year window to file civil action regardless of the statute of limitations, was set to expire. 2 lawsuits were filed in November 2023. In the filings, it is revealed that during the early 1990s, when Combs was a talent director, party promoter, and a prominent figure in New York City's hip-hop scene, he allegedly committed acts of sexual assault, beatings, and forced drugging. One of the individuals who came forward, Joy Dickerson, recounted her experience as a 19-year-old student at Syracuse University. In 1991, she agreed to meet Combs at a restaurant in Harlem. However, after their date, Combs intentionally drugged her and proceeded to sexually assault her at his residence, as stated in the legal document. According to the lawsuit, Combs surreptitiously recorded the attack without Dickerson's awareness and subsequently distributed the video to multiple acquaintances within the music sector. This unwarranted public exposure had a devastating impact on Dickerson, causing her to spiral into a state of profound despair. Ultimately, her mental health deteriorated to such an extent that she required hospitalization and was compelled to abandon her college education. Looking ahead to February 2024, Combs found himself confronted with yet another lawsuit, this time filed by a male music producer. In a federal court in New York, a lawsuit was filed against Combs alleging multiple incidents of unwanted groping and sexual contact. Additionally, the lawsuit states that the individual was required to perform tasks in a bathroom while Combs showered and freely moved about nude. The lawyer representing Combs dismissed the events detailed in the lawsuit as nothing more than a concoction of pure fiction. In response, attorney Sean Diddy emphatically stated, "The evidence we possess is irrefutable and overwhelmingly demonstrates the falsehood of his assertions. We intend to confront these outrageous accusations in a court of law and pursue all necessary measures against those responsible for making them." Over the years, Diddy has been confronted with numerous allegations, just a few of which are mentioned here. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.